Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to unlock disable iPhone, iPad without iTunes or passcode using a software. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Watch the full video until the end and don't skip any step. Let's start. First of all, we need PC or Mac for this because we cannot fix without computer. Just connect your phone to computer or Mac and close iTunes or Finder. This is because we cannot fix using iTunes. After that, go to the PC, open Google and search for you key, much easier to use. The link is in description. Just click and download it. It's work for any iPhone. When we search for this, the website appears something like that. This is the website link. After that, we have to tap on free trial version. We have to tap on free trial. When we tap on free trial, the software will start downloading. And it's just around 12 MB file. When the downloading complete, run the software. foryouKey.exe software. The installation process will start. We tap on next and then tap on I agree, then tap on next and tap finish. Run Tenorshare for key and tap finish. The installation successfully completed. After installation, link your phone to computer. When we link the phone, the software will appear like that. Remove the iPhone passcode. Select the following: lock screen issues, forget the phone passcode, the phone has been locked and cannot use it again. And we have to tap on start button. When we tap on start button, download the firmware package online. We have to download the firmware package online. It's just free. We are not going to pay anything and we have to tap on download. It's around 2 GB file and hardly take 15 minutes to download and also depend on your internet speed. Here we have to do one thing. We have to keep our phone to connected until file is downloaded. We are not going to disconnect the iPhone. After downloading firmware, disconnect your phone and after few minutes software will ask you to connect your device. Now we have to connect the device. When this symbol appears on software, we have to connect the device. We have to connect the iPhone. After connecting the phone, the window will appear something like that. When the system shows firmware package has been downloaded to computer, we have to tap on Start Unlock. When we tap on Start Unlock, the iTunes software activates automatically, and we have to close iTunes or Finder. Now the system is going to remove the passcode. It will take hardly 15 minutes. When the 100% complete, don't disconnect your iPhone, but you have to close the software. Yes, congratulations. We are successfully unlocked the iPhone. Now we have to set up iPhone. Welcome to iPhone after unlock. Now your device is unlocked and you have to use it easily. Thumbs up and thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Have a good time. Take care. Bye bye.